Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jaritza, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm actually going to organize my makeup, and I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I got from Amazon. If this interests you, just keep on watching. I got this from Amazon. There's a lot of organizers in there. They're like the clear ones. So we got a lot of the big ones. We got some little ones like this. Oops. Some of them are like this. So these organizers, and I will be putting the price and everything down below. And then we got big ones like this. So this is a drawer that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna be putting the link and everything down below. So that's how I have my makeup organized right now, but I'm gonna organize it. So like here I have some of my skincare stuff. More skincare stuff. A bunch of lipsticks everywhere. I put some of my hair stuff in here. Mascaras. Makeup. And some of my, what is it called? Some of my palettes. So yeah, so if this interests you, just make sure you keep on watching. I'm just gonna show you guys how I organize it. This is just temporary, but if this interests you, just make sure that you keep on watching. I just put some of my makeup palettes. It kind of took me a little bit to organize it, but I was able to organize some of my palettes, so I left that for the end. This one, I have some of my little makeup palettes. These are some of my like highlighters or a little bronzer. I have some blushes, some other little palettes on here, and I have a lot of space actually. I didn't used to have a lot, but I have space in case I get more, which is good. Oops, gotta make sure when you slide it pretty well, because then it comes off. And then here I have my mascaras. Here's some of my like little mascaras and also like little highlighters for the eyebrows. I have some eyeliners on here, eyeliners and eyebrow pencils. Here I have some little eyeshadows. This is a makeup brush, and this is like I have one of these little tools things on there. So I just put it here for now. I mean, eventually I'll probably end up switching it once I get more makeup. On here, I decided to put some of my, like, what is it called? Some of my foundation, some of my primers. This is a highlighter, and this is my setting sprays. This one is the one that I use the most, the Smashbox setting spray. It actually leaves my makeup on. I don't have to worry about my makeup getting on my clothes. And this stuff is just temporary, so I just have this stuff here for now. My brushes, I put the skinny ones on here, the big ones on here, little short ones on the back, and I have these on here. So that's my brushes right there. These are my lipsticks. I still have a lot of space in the back, so that's good, just in case I end up getting more. So I have, these are just like little primers. I just put them there with the little lipstick ones and lip glosses. A lot of the lipsticks that I have are matte. Some of them are not matte. Lipsticks on here too. So this is just like, I mean, this is how it's gonna be looking for now, but I feel like this is way better than how I had my lipsticks before. Now here I have all like my hair stuff, little scrunchies. This one, I don't know what happened there. My little brushes, clips. This is just the back of like the earrings thingy. I just put it here for now. I have so much stuff. I didn't know where to put them, so that's that. Oops. Here I have all my skincare stuff. So some of my mask, some of my some mask, and some of my moisturizing creams, hand lotion. This is like an oil. It's almost done. And here are like my butter creams. I put them all there, and I kind of like the way it looks. It's better than how, like I said, it's better how I had them before. Here I just put like some hair stuff on there and moisturizers. Here, this is the section where I have like my face stuff too. So like face mask, face wipes. This is the scrubber that I haven't used yet to shower. This is to take up your makeup. You can just wet it. It's like a makeup eraser. You wet it and it takes off your makeup right away. Some of my mask on here, my ice roller. This is the clean brush, like a brush cleaner. This is also a silver use microfiber makeup removing cloth, and I haven't used it yet, still brand new. And back here I have a little cute mirror. Look at how cute it is. It says follow your dreams, they know the way. And I have some face masks on there that I still haven't used. So yeah, so this stuff over here, this is just temporary. So this is just like, I have a lot of extra stuff that I didn't know where to put. So I put some of my stuff on here. And this is, the stuff that I'm putting on here are mostly all the stuff that I use the most, somewhat. And in here, this is interesting because I have a lot of the stuff that I use. So first of all, let's see, this is like my, in case you're wondering why do I have brushes here, these are my face brushes. So this is to put your mask, your brushes with for your mask. This one too, this is to put your face mask or for your face. This is just random, I put it there. A couple face masks. And then I just put these nail polishes on here. I don't know where to put them. And then on the top, I have my lotions, my favorite lotions, the cocoa lotion, smells like coconut. This one, I need to buy more. My moisturizer and stuff. And here, I don't want to open it because I'm going to make a mess. I just have my setting powders. Guys, so that was the end of my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of my videos. And all I want to say is I really appreciate those that have been subscribing to my channel and that have been watching my videos. I really do appreciate that. If you do like videos like this, please let me know down below so I can continue doing similar videos like this. But yeah, guys, so thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.